interesting to see him. Here's Nylander in, and he scores! It's 9 seconds in, and he has the first goal of the game in back-to-back.
9 seconds in! Hello everyone, and welcome back to Job NHL Vlogs. And today is the day I'm going to be going down to the Scotiabank Arena in downtown Toronto to watch the Toronto Maple Leafs take on the Tampa Bay Lightning. It's Tuesday, April 18, 2023, 7:30 p.m. puck drop at the Scotiabank Arena in downtown Toronto. And it is Game 1 tonight of the Stanley Cup playoffs. And this is a big deal, guys. This is not like any other Leafs game of the regular season. This is a Stanley Cup playoff game. This is my first ever time I'm going to be going to a playoff game for any sporting league, for MLB, NHL, NBA, etc. But yeah, this is the first time ever going to a playoff game, so this is a big deal for me, and I'm really, really excited about this game. First of all, the fans are going to be extra hyped tonight, extra loud, and also we're going to have the tailgate party outside the arena as well in Maple Leaf Square. Those fans are going to be going absolutely bonkers every time we score. They're going to jump up and down. They're going to have the towels waving. Also, I get a free towel tonight to add to the towel collection. I'm probably not going to show it till 100 subscriber special. So, yeah, sorry about that, guys. I got to save it for a surprise for that video. So, yeah, you guys are going to see it in that video. But unless you guys go to playoff games, then you guys already know what it looks like. If you guys went to this game already, the playoff games, you guys will know what it looks like. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, you got to get the fans waving the towels like this. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be wild there tonight. A lot of white towels. And yeah, Maple Leaf Square, tailgate party. I actually never went to a Leafs game where they actually had that set up outside the arena before. So it's the very first time I'm actually going to be seeing that live. So that's actually going to be pretty cool. I'm not going to see them jump up and down unless maybe we win after the game and maybe as I'm leaving. But yeah, I'm not really going to see them actually jumping up and down because I'm not going to be at this tailgate. I'm going to be actually in the arena, of course, as you guys know already. And yeah, tonight I'm going to be sitting in section 306, row 16. I mean, they're not the best seats, but for the playoffs, I'll take it. So yeah, they're okay for the playoffs. And yeah, also another thing to mention is that Ryan O'Reilly's playing tonight. I'm going to be seeing him play for the very first time as a Toronto Maple Leaf. So I'm really excited to see Ryan O'Reilly. It's not his very first game as a Leaf, of course. But you guys know, he's still pretty new to the team. He's only been here for a couple months. And yeah, I'm really excited to see him play for the very first time as well in a Leafs jersey live. And yeah, I also see him play in Buffalo as well for the Sabres. So yeah, I cannot wait to see him play live for the Leafs for the very first time. And yeah, it's going to be really cool to see him in a Leafs jersey tonight as well. And yeah, hoping he plays well tonight as well. Also hoping we score the first period. Hoping we get some nice goals as well. Maybe I'm hoping Matthews, Marner, Willie Nylander, the pizza man himself, and John Tavares. I'm going to be wearing John Tavares' jersey tonight. And I'm going to save Matthews for Thursday. So yeah, it's just so you guys know about the jerseys. But yeah, regardless, I'm still really excited. This is a big deal. And I can't wait for this game tonight. And yeah, hoping we win. If we win, then we have a big advantage of the series, leading 1-0. And yeah, I'm hoping we can get like a 1 or 2-0 series lead. And maybe take that to Tampa. Maybe we'll get another win there. And I think we'll have a chance. I think we have a 2-0 lead. We'll be in a pretty comfortable position. But don't give up, okay? You got to win every game. You can't give up any leads. Nothing like that. You got to make sure you're in it to the very end. But anyways, guys, before I get to this, I want to watch you guys stuff. Please like, subscribe, channel if you're new. Hit notifications. Leave your comments down below if you guys have any thoughts. I was going to be going to. If you guys are at this game, any thoughts and feelings you guys have in general on this vlog, feel free to leave a comment section below. Like to hear you guys out there. And without further ado, guys, I'm going to take you guys out to the Scotiabank Arena tonight for this game. And yeah, just hoping the Leafs well, hopefully play well, hoping we win, and hoping Samsonov is back as well tonight. Hoping he makes some big saves for us because that's been out for a little bit. So yeah, hoping he's feeling confident. Hopefully he's ready for this game tonight. I just hope he makes some big saves for the Leafs. And yeah, also hoping that Joseph Woll's our backup. And yeah, Murray's not really the best. I'd rather have Samsonov and Joseph Woll as our two goalies for the postseason. Yeah, that would be great. If we could do well in this playoff run, if we can get past the first round with Woll and Sammy, that would be more than good enough for a good season for me anyways. But yeah, I'm hoping we can win the Stanley Cup this year as well. But yeah, I just hope everything goes well tonight. I hope we score the first period. Great defense. Yeah, gets a great defense, a great offense. Hope we get lots of goals. And yeah, that would be amazing. Yeah, just hoping everything goes well tonight. But anyways, guys, without further ado, let's just jump right to it. And let's go! Let's go! my bike. See, look at this. I'm wearing a hat. Literally 2 days ago, I was wearing summer clothes. You see how crazy this is? Anyways, on the way to Scotiabank Arena for my very first playoff game right now. This is actually happening. Or we might go see the tailgate party, then we're gonna go inside the arena. This is gonna be wild. As soon as we get to that area, let the games begin. Alright, stay tuned, guys. 307.
Oh, 307? Where's 306? 306 here. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, it is. My fault. No problem.
So not bad. I have to go up to all the way up though. Let's go. 10, 11, 12, 5, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Almost 4 at the time. Okay. And he despised being a control. He was coming in. So he literally stand by the gate, flying the eyes out, and Glenn was like, Corey, you stay up there. Did he? Yeah, he did afterwards. But he wasn't work, so he had the whole team out to his barn. Oh, nice. Barn, got an ice rink. Oh, nice. And he had said he had to put his, once they retired,
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's a spot right there. Alright, I'll get this. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, here we go. Woo! Go! Go! Woo! Woo! Boo! Boo! Yeah! Woo! Sam throws back. That's good. DJ Brody. Perry. We're going to go Lucha. Screw Perry, man. I hate him. Matthews is gonna be last off. Oh my god. Whoa! What did he freaking do? He did something stupid. He's a worm, man. He's a worm. The worm, man. The worm. That's terrible. That's the worm for you. That's gonna go viral potentially. No, they're gonna change it.
Oh my gosh, wait, here we go. Hey, you know, oh, that was crazy.
be a home
Welcome to Scotiabank Arena in the 2023 Toronto Maple Leafs playoffs. Game 1 of the first round against the Tampa Bay Lightning is presented by Scotiabank.
Oh, they're not going to say your Toronto Maple Leafs this time.
And now we present Jimmy Holmstrom on the origin.
It takes time. They do it at a certain point. It will start. Just be patient. Go Leafs, go! 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 Oh, look at this! Go Leafs, go! Woo! Go! Go! Oh, wow. Woo! Let's go! Go! Wow. You suck, Vasilevsky! go! Leafs, go! Go, Leafs, go! Here we go! Go, Leafs, go! Oh my god. Something like, oh boy. This is crazy. Nice, okay. Now let's go, Leafs. Yeah. It's pretty good. Wait, I don't know. Okay, I'm ready to go. Here we go. I'll get the balls here. Go, Leafs, go! Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I was something nice. Here we go, first, right, yeah. Oh, okay. They score first. That sucks. Well, that's a great start. Hey, that's not good. We're already losing. Please go! Go, leave go! Go, leave go! Wait for Thanks for you. It's insane. Oh my god, it's insane. Here we go. It's on. Ah, that's weird. I think it's icing. Oh my god! Dude! Bro, come on, hit it. Oh, you got something up here. Please, I do. Get it in. Oh, hey! Yeah, you actually put box already. Oh, okay. You got something. Yeah. Whoa! I think, alright. Let's see. This offense will be tough. I need to go to the here. Go with my shoe. Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Go, Leaf, go. Go, Leaf, go. Man. Touch soon. We're gonna change the course. Fight! Fight again. It doesn't have to do it. Yeah. Yeah, Leaf, and regular season. I don't know. Go! Sailors! Woo! Yep. He's the captain. He's right there. Right there. All right. What are you doing? Come on, it's two. Here we go. Maybe. No, never mind. Of course. Triple. Try to calm down. Triple. What? I know. All right. He's gone. Gotta go. What? Oh my god. Damn it. This place is hard. They keep fighting, man. They're gonna fight all night. They don't like each other, clearly. They just don't. Clearly the Leafs are angry about last year, but you can tell. What? Oh, I got it. Ah! Damn. That's each one. Oh, no. That's all now. I was close to it. I don't know where. Need a camera. Yeah. See a chance. You're getting my up. Oh, leave up. Come on, buddy. Oh, careful. Oh, what's that better? There. This is how we're come on, can I do these on here? These calls to the defense. I'm jumping on. And I'm going to here. I'm second roster. I'll say. So, what do I do?
Last minute of play in the first period.
What a terrible start. 3-0 Tampa. I don't know. This is a really bad game so far. I'm gonna say this. I'm lucky I can go to game 2 as well, to be honest with you guys. And it's my fault for wearing Tavares. You know why? Because I always lose when we wear Tavares. It's my fault, clearly. I can tell. 3-0. I mean, it's a bad period, but I guess we shouldn't give up yet. So, all right, we'll see you guys for a second, yeah.
Welcome back, your Toronto.
Go! Better period, please. Oh! Oh, screw the Tampa Bay fan down there. Oh, I think he got lost. I hope he didn't. If not, I hope he didn't die. I'll give him to like the first half to come back. He did something crazy. Go! Go! Go, Leafs, go! Go, Leafs, go! Go, Leafs, go! The Leafs, go! Go, Leafs, go!
Tampa Bay's power play goal, his first goal in the playoffs for number 86, Nick Kucherov. This is number 98, Nicholas Sergachev. Number 17, Alex Killorn. Time to goal, 1956 of the first period. Kucherov for Sergachev and Killorn in 1956 of the first period.
Maybe this sound better.
Where's the tripping go, ref?
They suck today. They're just terrible. Ah, frick! That's so frustrating, man. Damn. It's rough. Yeah, now I'm gonna bring through now. Please, another, please. Come on, man, please. Damn it! Frick! Just one. I just want to see it, man. Oh! What's wrong with these refs? I don't understand them today. I just don't. Ref, you suck! You suck. Ref, you suck. Ref, you suck. I don't blame him anymore. I don't blame anybody for getting mad. Frustrating. Come on! What the hell's going on here? Holy sh**. Come on! Finally! Finally, man! Get up there, you bum! Power play. Finally getting a friggin' power play, like Jesus. This better be the 3-1 one. Bobby scores. Oh, hockey game is the best game you can name. And the best game you can name.
Where players dash with skates of ice, the whole team trails behind. But they grab the puck and go burst, and got running down across the line. They storm the crease like bumblebees, they travel like a burning flame. You see them slide the puck inside, it's a 1-1 hockey game. Hockey game is the best game you can name. And the best game you can name is the good old hockey game.
Woo! For more, I swear to God. God, ref, you suck! For real. Come on. But now they're finally gonna do nothing.
7-19. Turn on 2 for nothing at 7-19.
Hear that, boys! Come on. Let's just shoot, man. Yeah, new graphics! Let's go! Final race! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! First goal at home. There we go. There we go. Finally. Final rally. Thank God, man. Thank God. Go!
Assisted by number 91, John and number 16, Mitch Marner. 806.
Go! Go, Leaf, go, Leaf, go! Wow. That's pretty cool. Now you get to see what it's like when we score a goal in the playoffs. Sammy! Come on. Let's go. There we go. Willie Styles, let's go! That's all it takes is patience, man. Patience. Please go! 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 Wow, man. I got 2 in a row. Not over yet.
His first goal of the playoffs, scored by number 80, William.
What? Power play! Oh, a big hit. Ah!
Last minute of play in the second period.
Well, it's 6-2, and we're pretty much done now. I don't know if we're winning. I don't think we are. And you know why? It's because of stupid refs. Yeah, it's the refs. The refs have made multiple bad calls. They missed. The refs missed way too many calls in the entire game so far. It's 6-2. It's the same score as the Ottawa game. We're only in the second intermission. This is ridiculous. I'm never wearing Tavares again. Okay, never again. I've learned my lesson, guys. We're done in this game. This game is history. I don't know. They're saying that we're gonna do good. I don't even know. I'm never gonna be confident again. Never again. Mark my words. Maybe I might have a backup plan if things don't work out again this year. Maybe I'll move to the Golden Knights. I hope I don't have to do that, but I don't know, man. 6-2, Tampa Bay. After 2. We'll see for the third. I'm not expecting too much this time. Change everything up. We'll get back at it.
Please welcome back your Toronto Maple Leafs.
Woo! Oh. Not as low this time. Can't blame him. Can't blame him.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Joseph Wolf. Yep. See if we get a couple goals.
Then a goal for your Maple Leafs, number 16, Joseph Wall.
You're right. Called it.
There we go. Mr. Joseph Wall. You never know. You never know. I know, for real, they need to get a 5-on-5-1. I know, both goals have been PPGs. That's right. Which is surprising, actually. That's actually quite surprising if you think about it. Alright, let's see. Let's see.
Tampa Bay penalty to number 98.
Yeah, maybe actually that is right. And that already here's maybe we can still score it now, but I mean it's not really gonna make a difference. GG. Good game. Bad game. Actually, you might get the goal sound good now because maybe not so many people would cheer. Maybe you would actually get it good now if we score. Oh! Yeah! I jinxed it! I jinxed it! There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Now it sounds better. Yard crow. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, it's good. That's pretty nice, actually. All right, 10-3. Nobody counts it. A little. It was like quiet. I was quiet. That's good like that now. Yeah. Look, see, he didn't even do it good.
Austin Matthews. And number 16, Mitch Marner. Time of the goal, 8:06.
8:06. I do his yard goal.
8:06.
Down by 4. It's like 4-0 right now. It's equivalent to 4-0. Yeah, there's a chance. If they get 2 in 1 minute, then maybe then the place would start getting a little bit louder. I think the more we score, then the louder it will get. That was the quietest playoff goal in history. I think that's a record. That might have been the quietest playoff goal ever. I am. That's rare. To see that in the play. I did in the playoffs. That was quiet. I'm gonna be honest. The first two though, you saw it. It was loud. Yeah, I didn't even stand up for that one. third goal kind of made me feel better. I'm like, okay. I'm like, yeah, there you go. Maybe 7-4? Like, the more goals you score, then it makes it less of a terrible loss. It makes the loss a little bit better, you know? 3 or 4. 3 depends, I think. Let's see, Nylander right now. Why not? Actually, they scored 5 on 5 that third one, actually. This last minute.
Last minute of play in the third period.
Boo! Game 2. We'll see. One more chance. This single pass, I think. I could be wrong. Screw the refs. Watch the last minute. Hey, that'll be cool. One more right now. That'll be something. I wonder how the defense will react. Probably the same way we did the third one. One more shot. Sure, just lost it. This ain't shooting. 7-3. Oh, I had that skipped in. That's skipped in. 6 seconds left. Get the walking down. I thought we could have 7-3 all. That's first goal anything. That was wrong. Finish anything. Still the same goal pretty much. Yeah, I'll still see the negative. Get them walk downstairs. I'm walk down now. I'll take it down here. Yeah, we're done. We lost. Terrible first game. Terrible. Very bad. Okay. We lost 7-3. The third goal, man, was so quiet, though. Man, oh man, that was a really bad game. I didn't even cheer for the third one. I was just like, yeah, great. This is a playoff game, and we completely blew it over. Well, I'm gonna look at the positives. It was better than the Senators game. Number 1, number 2, I like the atmosphere, and number 3, just keep going. I got the game 2, so at least I got to go one more game, so I'm lucky for that. Oh boy, what a bad game. I'm wearing my Matthews, and guys, mark my words, I'm never wearing Tavares again. Never again. I've learned my lesson officially. Alright, we're gonna head home. I mean, this vlog might not be too bad though, because at least we scored 3 goals, so at least we didn't get shut out. I'll take that. So, no pizza. You know what, for the pizza, I don't even think we're doing it anymore. I don't even think we're doing it, so I didn't see anything about pizza. I don't even think we're doing it anymore, to be honest with you guys. But, okay, anyways. Yeah, terrible game. Better luck next time. And game 2. Let's hope we can tie this thing up. Alright, see you guys.